Hello everyone. Now I'm going to explore and demonstrate how to download the MRI images in the ADNI dataset. We can download in terms of two formats. One is Nifty format, another one is the DICOM formats. We're going to explore and tell how is this. I'm going to show you the simple search method, and also there is a advanced search also. Let's see the simple search. So when you consider this object subject file, subject ID is nothing but the patient. If you don't know the patient, like of course we don't have, let's if you want a single patient, particular single patient, we can go for it. Okay, don't need to worry about it. So in the case of MRI modality and the research group, you're going for any kind of based on your project. So let's say you're considering the AD, and you simply next time you want CN first. If you first time you want AD, then you download that. Then you go for the CN, you download that. MCI, go and download FCI, download that. Everything it repeats again for these classes again if you go for each section. Let's go for the AD first of all. After clicking the AD for the research group now, AD Alzheimer's disease. The series description here, you can consider so many series descriptions are there. You need to explore more on it. If you don't know it, just you go for search, then you get so many series descriptions. You know. We're considering MP range. It's have the clear um, um, resolution. That's the thing. Doesn't matter about age and sex. The weighting, if you consider here the T1 or T2, it doesn't depend. You know, it depends actually. The T1 and T2, they are, and the T1 is the white and gray matter difference. Don't need to worry about. Just based on the research, I selected T1. University paper. So the slide range you can able to get the you don't know understand that generally it's go from the 0 to the highest is the 2 only in the ADN data set. Apart from I think 3, yeah. Apart from the A3, you don't have an highest. Okay. So you can particularly select a particular slice thickness, that's 1.2 is the famous in the ADNI. So then if you don't know the coronal axial, that's parts of the brain, the sections of the brain, it will get all the sections of the brain. It never like you think like you select only the axial, you get the axial. No, you get all the slices of the brain. Okay, so now, so you see number of counts if you got all the counts, and I'm going to be search right now, simple search. It's not an advanced search, it's a simple search. Then you get this one. So these have an MP range. But see here, we also have the MP range repeat. This one and this one is a slight difference is there. And there are so many MP ranges are there that have the lots of difference. This is MP range, so repeat and MP range. This one we not consider that one. So in order to fully do that one, only specifically MP range, then you need to go for the advanced one. Okay. Then you manually I'm showing here how to do this now. So if you want to see what is this, you see the axial thing. But instead we can also see the other sections too. So this is the axial section of the brain. It's loading. Yeah. Okay. This is the axial section of the brain, the horizontal. This is the vertical section of the brain, like a cutting the brain into two slices like that. Okay, this is the sections you're able to view like this, and each slice happens here. That's all. The coronal section also you can explore and see. Here only we have the hippocampus and the cortical entropy region. Okay. Okay, we want to be close this. So how to download this? So you're selecting which one is required. I'm showing the demo. You add to the card. You need to give for the demo. Let's say I'm going to be show it for the demo. Okay. Then I click on OK. You're able to see in the data collection in the demo section. It's undownloaded. If you download it, it show the downloaded. Okay. Okay, I already downloaded. That's what's showing downloaded. So don't need to worry about it. Okay. If you see now, you're able to get in the CSV format also. If you have lots of files here, let's say you have files like this for this also. It doesn't mean that I'm not showing it at all. Yeah, if you can click here, you see the one click download. The same thing happens, right? Okay. Now it's loaded correctly. Yeah, if you see it's loaded now. CSV file you can get it. Okay, let's say I'm going to click on this one, or if you want all the files you have, you need to select all. Okay. So after this one, I click on this one click download. After clicking, it takes some time. You need to be very patient when you're doing this process. Right? You click on this, you're able to get this demo. You need to extract it. Let's extract it. Extracted this. See, you have done the simple thing. You actually, by using the search you have done, right? By the search you've done, anyways, you always get in the DICOM files. I'm going to show right now. Okay, so this one, we are there. Huh? We already extracted the demo. If you see, so this is nothing but in the ADNI, you can you can I will tell how to you are going to do this and everything. If you don't know how to do this at all, don't need to worry about it. Um, you can use ChatGPT in order to if you click on this, you need to get this all the files. After clicking on the subject, you need to get all the files. You need to remove this ADNI. You need to place this one in the demo like that. You need to do that. So you see how much very long we need to go in order to select this. Okay. If you want to see these files, it's not possible. If you want to very curious to see, it's not possible. So if you want to curious about it, if you want to see that file, then so there type on it, then you'll be able to see this one. Then you want to be download this, then you can agree. So once you agreed, you get the HTML zip format of this thing. I'm going to click this. Okay, it's going to. So once this download, you're able to see this one. Let's extract it again. Okay, let's extract it. Okay, we extracted it. Good. Okay, so the main two things are this one. In the demo, we have the ADNI dataset. Already said you need to be having the proper format. So in order to make this, so I'm going to show you something. Okay, so here I'm doing, but you can use ChatGPT in order to write the script file, and you can do. You can go for this is the subject, the name subject here. Okay, so then I copy paste here, I paste it, then I delete this appearance. Now I don't need. See here, see, I go for this demo. I have this one subject. I leave this files. That's how you need to format the uh, folder, make the directory thing. Okay, okay. Now, so in the ADNA dataset, in the demo dataset, we have able to see this one. Okay, okay. Actually, this one you need to place this in the demo. There is no ADNA. If you download so many things, you need to do experiment on it. Then you come to know what I'm telling about. So in order to view this, so we have been downloaded this. Okay, so we have been downloaded this one here. Okay, let's click on this. Okay, this is the application. Let's run. Okay, I run this one. Okay, this is the default one. Don't need to worry about it. Let's go for this. I click on the open. I'm going to open the file. Okay, then in the ADNA dataset, then I go for the what we have done in the demo, the subject, and you're selecting any kind of slice you can select. I'm going to select this one. You see that this person. Actually, this section of the brain you're able to see. If you want to see the middle section, again you need to see here. Open. Let's say go for the middle section. They're scrolling down here. Let's have the one. That's what happens. You see hippocampus and the cortical entropy. Okay, this is just for the view of these diagram files. It works with the nifty files also. So what are these nifty files then? So when you say about nifty files, you're able to get it from the pre-processed one. Whatever you're thinking from getting from the search, they are simple. They are DICOM files. Original gives the DICOM files. Pre-processed gives the nifty files. Nifty are nothing but 3D files. So let's select the 3D files here. The original you can get from this also. Whatever the I'm going to apply the filters, it's also going to be applied to the original files. You can unselect, you can click on this, and that filters you can apply here. Been already been showed how to use this one. You can try with it. Okay, then I'm going for the pre-processed. Okay, so then you can select whatever the data set you want. You don't need to worry about this filling and all because subject ID is nothing but the patients. You don't know everything about it, right? Okay, the patient's research, the main research I'm going to do, that's AD right now. You can select the MCI, LMCI, whatever the required. It's like make sure that you select each time, so that's helpful for you download and understand. So modality here, let's say MRI I'm going to be used. The slice thickness is 1.2. It's equal. You don't need to worry about this section also. Okay, you don't need to worry about this filling. And consider the T1 weights. So I'm going to be search. The same thing we have done, that's the filters we apply to the advanced one. In the advanced one, I'm going to be see here, we're able to see this image. That's how it's there. Okay, fine. The axial coronal sagittal thing. Okay, I'm going to click this. Then I will add to the cart. I may for this. Okay, there are so many names, right? You cannot do that. So let's say have demo underscore for Nifty. I will make this demo for the Nifty. After clicking on this, so we have in the Nifty format. Okay, don't worry about the spelling here. Okay, just click on this and click download. Click the file to download so that you don't have any confusion. So now you're downloading the pre-processed one. So once the files downloads, let's go over into it. So again, it's a zip format. Again, we need to unzip it. Of course, this works like that's only, there's no way for it. Okay, these are the zip files. These are the unzipped files. Okay, I click on the unzip file. Again, you're getting AD. That's why what I'm telling. That's why I'm telling. It's only you need to go like this, go like this, like this. You know, it's very thing. You get only one file here. Why? There you used to get 170 files here, right? In the case of this one, right? In the case of this one, you see here in the data set again here in the demo, you're able to see the 170, 160 slice. So these are the 2D slices. You know? Then in the case of the FT, you get only one thing because that's a 3D one. Because that's a 3D one. This is the 3D one here. Okay, that's how you're going to be formatted out. The structure I will tell. You can use the ChatGPT to give the you can give the directory, then you can place this one to this. You delete this unwanted folders. Then again you go for the Nifty dataset here. Again ADNI. No, I don't need it. Just I cut off this. Control X, Control V, and this delete AD now. It's very simple now, right? If I click demo, everybody see subject and the files. Subject and the patient. Each patient MRI scan. Each patient MRI scan. But this is 3D. If you want to view this, again you need to do that. Again you need to run the application. Okay, so where is the, okay, sorry, here in the this one only you need to go for this one. Okay, the application run. Open the file, open it. So now in the demo you listen, I go for the Nifty one. I click on the Nifty and click on this. See the magic. That's only the simple thing, right? Okay, this is how you're able to view. Just for viewing this data set, how to download and viewing, I explored about it. So if you want to work on these things, then you need to download more files. You can use for ChatGPT in order to how they place the order I have specified. You can mention I have considered some only AD, right? So then you need to make the folder AD, then you place the subject to the AD. Now you get the proper embed. That's an embed icon file. AD you get the subject, subject you get this. In this case, in the AD you get so many subjects like this folder, like the same folders. You get so many things, and they place they have each folder have this one. That's how you make the proper uh, directory. That's how you make it. So this is all related to how to download the data set, and thank you for watching. Thank you.